Are you ready? Some of the best Nickelodeon shows are now on DVD, so you can pick your favorite anytime. Here's Dora the Explorer. Hi, Dora. Play, laugh, sing, and learn with Dora the Explorer on a whole range of great DVDs and help her save the day in a world of educational adventures. You'll have lots of help along the way from Boots the Monkey, Backpack, Map, and Dora's special friends, the Explorer Stars. So come and explore with Dora the Explorer on DVD. Here's another great Nickelodeon show, Go, Diego, Go! He's an animal rescuer, and now he's starring in his own action-packed DVDs. But Diego and his sister Alicia can't do it all on their own. They need your help, especially when those silly monkeys get up to their tricks. Leap into action-packed animal adventures with Diego, Alicia, Click the Camera, and Diego's Transforming Rescue Pack. Go, Diego, Go! Now on DVD. The final challenge is here! Yes, you can watch the Sponge-tacular adventures of SpongeBob SquarePants whenever you like. Immerse yourself in the world of SpongeBob and his friends. Gary, the best pet a sponge could wish for. Patrick, the best friend a sponge ever had. And Squidward, the, octopus. Enjoy Sponge-tastic silliness anytime with SpongeBob SquarePants on DVD. So there you have it. The best of Nickelodeon on DVD. Are you up to the challenge?